Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce probate delays with Everplans, complete guide step by step clearly. Creating an estate plan is the first step to reducing probate delays. Gather all essential documents related to your estate. These documents include wills, trusts, financial statements, and property titles. Next, organize your important information in one centralized location. Use a secure online platform like Everplans to store and manage these documents. Once your documents are uploaded, designate your beneficiaries clearly. Make sure each beneficiary understands their role and responsibilities. In addition, select an executor for your estate. Choose someone whom you trust to handle your affairs diligently. Provide them access to your Everplans account for seamless management. It's advisable to outline your wishes in detail. This includes funeral arrangements and asset distribution. Communicate regularly with your family about your plans. Transparency minimizes confusion and potential disputes down the road. Review and update your estate plan regularly. Life events such as marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child may require adjustments. Everplans enables you to easily modify your documents as needed. Ensure that all your assets are titled correctly. This can help prevent complications during the probate process. Consider establishing a living trust to avoid probate altogether. Living trusts can streamline the transfer of your assets. If you have minor children, appoint guardians in your estate plan. Protecting their future is a vital aspect of your planning. Finally, consult with an estate planning attorney for personalized advice. This can further ensure that your plan complies with state laws. By following these steps, you will significantly reduce probate delays. Using Everplans simplifies the entire process, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.